Hello everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal. This is an LR set in front of you in on your mobile screen. Uh, this question was asked in our cat WhatsApp group, and hereby I am solving it. So there are two railways, Central Railway and Western Railway. In the first table, the fares from CST to various stations are given, and in the Western Railway, in the second table, from Churchgate to various stations the fares are given. Okay, there are various rules for calculating fares and distances. Many data are missing. Okay, but as you know, there's a different approach to every single problem of LR. I always say so. At first, take a look at the questions which are asked. So in the questions, you can see if luggage of total this kg is to be carried by Central Railway from CST to Bhandup. If in the above question the luggage is to be carried only by children, then how much more or less? So only Central Railway is what you have to worry about, and from CST to Bhandup only. So you don't need to calculate the entire table missing data. You just worry about CST to Bhandup in the first table. Okay. Now there are two different rule sets are given, Central Railway and Western Railway. We won't care about the second one, Western Railway. Okay, we will just care about Central Railway. And now we'll see and yes, the distance CST to Bhandup. Are they asking about distance? Fare is minimum, and how much more or less will they spend if only adults carry the same luggage? So distance is not the matter of question in any of the two questions. Okay, so this is the distance. In case of any ambiguity while calculating distances, assume the least distance for the given fare. We don't need to worry about this. Okay, we don't need to worry about this. We don't need to worry about this. The fixed fare for each category is same but different for WR and CR. No problem. Wherever luggage is mentioned, this one is important. Now a child can carry a maximum 10 kg of luggage. An adult can carry a maximum 20 kgs of luggage. Wherever luggage is mentioned, assume that it is above 15 kg, as there is no fare for luggage up to 15 kg per person. One thing we see, as far as we have read the passage, that there is no per kg charge for the luggage. Okay, there is no per kg charge. There is per kilometer charge for the luggage. So if you are carrying some extra luggage, it doesn't matter it is 1 kg extra or 2 kg extra or 5 kg extra, you are paying the same charges. It only depends upon distances. If distances are different, then charges will be different. That's it. Okay, now for any category, adult, child or luggage, there is a fixed fare up to the first 2 kilometers. So this table we don't need to worry about. For the first 2 kilometers of the journey, and uh, from any station to any station. Okay, in the first table, first 2 kilometers there is a fixed charge. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, first 2 kilometers there is a fixed charge A. Say the fare increases by rupees 13 for adults, 7 for children, and 4 for luggage for the third kilometer. So if you travel third kilometer, you'll pay 13 extra. If you are an adult, if you are a child, then 7, and for extra luggage 4. Okay, And thereafter for 3n plus 2, 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, that is fifth, and then 3 to just 6, and that is 8th, 5th, 8th, 11th, okay, so on. So 13 rupee here. So fourth kilometer is free. If you travel beyond it, then fourth kilometer is free, but if you travel 5 kilometer you'll pay 13 rupee again. Then here 13, sixth and 7th kilometers are free. Then for the 11th kilometer you pay 13 again. So 5, 8, 11, it is an AP of common difference 3, but there 3 is term odd man out, okay. And yes, 7 rupee here, 4 rupee here also. For any category the fixed fare is same, so this will be A only. Now you can see here 9 kilometer, but fare is not given. 10 kilometer, but fare is not given. 39 kilometer fare is not given. 42 kilometer fare is not given. Not given. Only this one can give us data, okay. So 35 kilometer and 201 rupees, and it is for adult, okay. 35 kilometer and 201 rupees, and it is for adult. So we'll do some calculations. uh, this is our calculation for the first 2 kilometer A, then 13 for third, 13 for fifth, and then 8th, then 11th, then 14th, then 17th, then 20th, then 23rd, 26th, 29th, 32th, 32nd, and 35th. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 13, that is 156 plus A. Okay, 156 plus A. And what was the fare? It was 201. So 156 plus A is 201. So A, the base fare, is 45 rupees. 45 rupees for first and second kilometers. Okay. Now from CST to Bhandup, we can see if we subtract 45 from it, it is 130. So 13 tens are 130. In place of 13, if we calculate for children, it is 7. So 7 tens are 70 and 45. 70 and 45, it is 115. And for luggage, 4 tens are 40 and 45, it is 85. Okay. And as we see, 13 tens are 130. We don't need to calculate the distance, but still if we want to calculate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 29 kilometer will be the distance. Okay. Now if a luggage of total 30 kg is to be carried, okay, if a child and an adult carries the luggage, then child will carry 10 kg with him, adult will carry 15 kg, and 5 kg will be extra. So the fare for child plus adult plus luggage will be calculated. It will be 175 plus 115 plus 85. Okay. So it will be 375. Two adults. If two adults will go, then no extra charge for luggage will be paid. 175 plus 175, because each of them will carry 15 kg luggage. So it is 350. Okay. Three children. Every one of them will carry 10 kg of luggage. Okay. So no extra charge for luggage. 115 plus 115 plus 115, it is 345. This is the minimum, so three children is the best option. And children pay 5 rupee less than adults. See, so rupees 5 less. So this is your set and exact 10 minutes we took to solve it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy learning. Bye bye. Good night.